working on blading down this. It's going to be a boat launch here, but we got to get this. There's a big hump sitting right here, so we're going to do a little blade work, a little bucket work, see if we can't get it a little more user friendly. This is a really pretty, it's a strip lake. You know, it used to be, must have used to been a mine here, but it'd be nice if you can get boat access to it. So I'm going to work on this for a while, and then I'll check back in. Should be able to get it compacted all the way to the edge of the water. See if we can't get some of these branches cleared out of here. Not bad, making a little progress. Won't be long now. Then I gotta cut a drainage ditch along the side of it because it's getting eroded right now. Alright, just working on this little section in the water. No idea how the dirt's going to hold up in the water here. But if they got a good enough truck and they get gravel on this, I think it'll be just fine. Actually feels quite firm. You can see it's pushing me up really easy. Alright, here's a look at this boat launch. I got it widened out a little bit more. Can't go anymore because I'm hitting them super big roots right there. Knocked off probably close to a foot in this hump. Got it compacted all the way down to the water fairly well. So I got it a lot wider down here at the base. So now it needs stone. You know, I could pretty much guarantee up to about there. Anything past that, there's no guarantees inside of a lake. But oh, and I also redirected the water. The water was coming down this hill straight down here, so I tied into that cut and ran that along the side here, so that'll greatly reduce the washout here. So once you get some stone in here, I think we're good to go. Probably at least 2 loads though, maybe 3 depending on what's needed in there, but probably 2 loads. I'm gonna guess 3-inch stone would work. Riprap is probably a little bit too big, and to my knowledge there's nothing in between 3 and riprap. All right, man, rock and roll. All right, here's a look at that new clearing over there running east and west. I'm sitting here almost about where the deer tower will go, and the first watering hole is right up in there. And then here's a look back to the first clearing. Almost. I thought we'd be done today, but not quite. We're getting really close. I mean, really close.